Hey Ranger Nation, so today we have Ryusoulger Soul 2 and Soul 3. So I kind of really wanted to review them. We know that there's not a lot of them with sounds, so I can't remember which ones these are. It's been a while, so let's just crack open. So first of all, let's have a look at this box. It's very basic, it's just showing you what souls they are. I can't remember what they are. On the back, it just says that you can put them in like night mode, you can put them into the morpher and the sword, and you get different sounds. On the side is just literally one soul, you've got another soul, and then you've got the top souls, and then product information at the bottom. So let's open this bad boy and have a look. So it's not bad. I forgot that I really wish these came in proper like plastic inserts. I think that would be kind of cool. So let's open up this bad boy. Make sure that we don't break it, because I don't want that. Sounds they are. Let me know down below in the comments. Let's see what they look like. So we have this one, which do they actually tell you on? Yeah, okay, so this one is the stretch arm one. I generally quite like this. I think it's a nice one. I generally didn't realize, because it actually tells you on the actual device, on the actual thing itself. So when it's in night mode, it looks okay. Not what I would have normally, but it's used. So literally, here, if you can see it, is basically a stretch arm one. So let's pop it in. Actually, no, let's look at them all first. So here we have, this one is, I'm guessing, attack up. If you know, if I'm wrong, let me know down below in the comments. I really wish my set was slightly a bit better. Let's put that there. So this one looks like it's an attack powered up one. I generally really like the kind of orange dinosaur type thing. It's got a bit of blue, it's got a bit of gold, and it's a bit of orange, which isn't too bad. And then this one is, I'm guessing it's strength. So is it? Oh, it looks something different. Well, the morpher will tell me in a minute. So here it's like you've got red, and then you've got kind of gold to it, which looks kind of fine. I think it looks really cool. Let's pop it in the morpher. So it doesn't do much. I know that so that's not too bad. I know the morpher really doesn't much. We're just including it just to be on the safe side, because it's all about the sword. So let's put this in here. Hold it down. Okay, so basically close it. I don't know what that says. Muggy Mud Soul. Oh, that was a bit different. 1, 2. Not too bad. Hold the button down. That's kind of cool. I kind of like that one. So let's pop it open. Close it. Mikasa Soul. Okay, hold it down. Okay, not much. And then the last one. Did you say Jesus Soul? Okay, one button down. Okay, so that's the soul that I've probably seen in the series, but not seen for a while. Okay, so we got this one. So this one is the third set, which basically you can see the keys, the keys, effectively, all the souls. You can see them all here. So again, if you know which ones they are, please let me know down in the description. So on the back, you have pretty much exactly the same thing as what we've had previously, which is saying stuff like, I'm guessing one is the Vision Soul. I know that one, and yeah, so basically you put it into the swords and then the souls. So let's have a look at this bad boy. Let's see what they've got. Oh, I held on to the shield. I thought, oh my god, they've actually updated it and they've put it in plastic things. No, they haven't. Silly Mark for believing that. Oh, they've put them individually in this one though. So it's not kind of like the three-way. Oh, that's a bit of a shame. But I'm guessing it's... Oh no, it's not easier to get the souls out of the packaging. Oh, that's a bit grim. Okay, so let's do the green one. The green one looks like kind of a parrot. I'm guessing this one is invisibility, because on the kind of thing here, you don't see anything at all. It's like it's lined out, so that kind of reminds me of invisibility. The gold's a little bit darker on this one than the others. And then when you kind of combine it like that one, it kind of looks like a ninja, so I'm going to guess Ninja Soul. This one is the Vision Soul, so you can see, because it's got a magnifying glass, so or maybe it's the one that can make it bigger, but I'm guessing this one is the kind of Vision Soul when it's just like... and you can see stuff. So you've got the kind of purple as well as the gold and the kind of pink, which looks really cool. I like that one. And then this one is a batting soul, maybe? I don't know which one it is. I don't think I've seen this in the series. Now mine has got on the white arrow, it's got a bit of blue, so I don't know if that is a painting error or if it's something different, but it does look cool. So do we need to do it in this? Because to be fair, when you put them in, it just does nothing. So literally, I'm not doing the morph thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Do you know what? I'm not gonna bother with the morpher. It's just there's no point in it. It's just. It feels like a very wasted thing. The sword is where it's all at, so... That's cool. I'm sure there was another mode in this. Yeah, there it is. No, that's awesome. I really like that one. Oh, awesome. I love these sorts of voices. Okay. Okay, that was a bit different. Quite nice. Okay, that's quite nice. Was that the hypnosis one, the sleepy one? I don't know. Oh, yeah, so far the best one. Okay, hold it down. That's awesome. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, so mostly the. So we've got them there. Let's see which ones they are, because I really want to see it. That's kind of cool for that one. Okay. Let's try this one. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Okay. Skipping that one. Okay, a little bit longer for that one. Okay. Ryusoul. Okay, we know that. Yeah. Okay, that was a bit disappointing because I thought that would hold a little bit more into that one. So, what do you think about all these souls then, Ranger Nation? Like, I've got to admit, I generally like the concept of them. But to be fair, like, I don't know. I think I prefer Ranger keys, but I really like these. These are really cool. I'm going to be collecting the entire set. I just generally think they're awesome, like the way that they're designed. So, but what are your thoughts, Ranger Nation? What do you think about the souls? Is it something that you're collecting? Is it something that you really like? Let me know down below in the comments and let's get a conversation going. So yeah, let's just start something. So yeah, if you want to, I think that's the end of the video, to be fair. So if you've liked this video, like, favorite, comment, and consider subscribing. Check that cheeky notification bell to be notified when more videos drop. And as always, Ranger Nation, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.